Hi, I'm Kim Ottaviani with Rex Rentals and Realty in St Petersburg, Florida. In our last segment, we talked about the 3-day notice, which is a very important document for non-payment of rent. I'm not an attorney. I am not trying to give legal advice here. What I'm trying to do for you is to understand, as a landlord, as a property owner, as an investor, the procedures that are needed to be done with legal notices. Today we're going to discuss the two 7-day notices. They go hand in hand. The first is 7-day to cure. The second is 7-day to terminate. The 7-day to cure is going to describe most commonly violations of that all-important document, the lease. Most of them are going to be non-performances of that lease, such as habitability. You walk in and you have garbage all over the backyard. Loud noise complaints from the neighbors. And in Florida during the rain season, the grass so high that you can't even see the house any longer. And maybe the vines and everything have grown over it to make it look something like out of The Hobbit. But anyways, those are the main issues of a 7-day notice. Again, I cannot emphasize, you do not give a letter begging the tenant to take care of something. You are losing time. And time, of course, is the essence, because that's how you get paid. Speaking of getting paid on a 7-day notice, we recommend that you collect rent first and then start the 7-day notice proceedings. Reason being is after you deliver that 7-day notice to cure, you cannot collect rent. Once you collect rent, you've disavowed and broke that legal notice to collect and make them do what they were supposed to do in the lease. If they take care of that 7-day notice, it says in the state of Florida, you do not have to issue for that issue for 12 months. That 7-day notice has been issued, taken care of. If they reviolate, you then can go to the second 7-day notice, and that is to terminate. I highly recommend that if you're getting into that point, no matter where you live, what state, what municipality, that you have in advance a good relationship with a landlord, tenant, attorney that really understands the law, because a 7-day notice to terminate is very, very difficult. What I can tell you is the 3 most important things of a 7-day to terminate. Document, document, document. Hearsay of a neighbor yelling, saying they're bum tenants, does not hold up. It's hearsay. So again, photos, photos, photos. Any documentation that you can have. A recording of a barking dog is important. It has to be documented. We hope you enjoyed this segment. We hope that it helps you understand your responsibilities as a landlord. It's not always easy, but it can be very, very prosperous for you. Again, I'm Kim Ottaviani with Rex Rentals and Realty, a property management company for your growth in St. Petersburg, Florida.